What if I told you you could actually make money from a fun social media trend? Actually, you probably have seen this everywhere. Folks are turning themselves into these cute little action figures slash comic book characters using AI. But actually, you can actually turn this into a sellable digital product on Etsy. Yes, really. No hassle, no inventory, no returns, no shipping, no big investments, just pure profit. And the best part is that buyers are actually buying this product. Yeah, really. So let me show you how you can get inspired and create your very own digital download AI character using just a few tools and Etsy. So let's get started. The first step is for us to do some research. We're simply going to go on Etsy, do a quick search for action figure AI, and we already see that there's quite a few sellers who created already their own digital download product. And some of these are actually already popular, like these two listings right here. So actually, we're going to click on this listing. We see that it's already in 20 cards and people already bought it because we're seeing reviews actually from customers, right? And so this is a listing that has been up just 1 month. So we know that there's demand and we actually can look at their store to see that it actually uploaded as well multiple variations. And if we go back to our search as well, we see that people are including photos of them and their kids, their pets. There's also different ways of creating the boxes. So we know that there's a lot of different opportunities, right? Or sharing their boxes like a nurse, because obviously a lot of folks are graduating right now from nursing school. So the sky's the limit. We know that there are opportunities here, right? So that's the first step, ensuring that there's demand. So you're probably wondering, why are people actually buying this product since they can do it in ChatGPT? Well, let's face it, people love convenience. They might not want to spend the extra time trying to search how to create this using ChatGPT or making it exactly to their liking. They simply want to buy it off from someone and have it ready to go, right? So needless to say, I know that you might think, well, I'm so surprised that people are actually buying this because this is something that they can create using ChatGPT. Yeah, but you also have to remember people like convenience. And additionally from that, not everybody is computer savvy, right? So I know it's shocking, but it's true. People pay for convenience. And also it's worth noting that it makes a perfect gift for any occasion, right? Whether, as we can see here, graduation, Mother's Day, in this case, for a grandma, also graduation. I'm surprised I haven't seen weddings. So this is a great, cute little gift for any occasion, right? So that's something worth noting. So now we're gonna have to go ahead and create our little AI action figure using ChatGPT. So now that we actually validated demand, it's time for us to create our product. And the beauty of this is that you don't need to be a designer because we're going to be using ChatGPT. I recommend that you have the paid version because with the free version, unfortunately, you can only create up to 3 designs a day. So this is a prompt that you're going to be able to use. By the way, you can interchange this prompt. Notice the most important thing is to give it the prompt of creating an action figure toy, the name of it, making it look like it has a transparent blister packaging box, that it should resemble the person in the photo. So it's important that your customers actually provides you the photo when you are creating this AI action figure. And you want to be as detailed as possible as well, right? And you also need to ask your customer what are the miniature props that you want to use, right? So water bottle, YouTube plate, based on my personal job. And then you can also change this accordingly, right? Cardboard color, minimalist background with a cartoonish style. So I actually recreated exactly this prompt. I actually changed around the different props that I wanted to use. And here's the image that it created, right? So look at this, like this is such a good image. And all we have to do then is go ahead and download this image. And then we're gonna go ahead and add this image on Canva to make sure that it has we can have a bigger format for it, right? So that's the recommendation I gave you. And then essentially what you also want to make sure is that, let's say if you are doing specific style, that you kind of reuse the same ChatGPT prompt, but most importantly as well, try to reuse the same window so that the style is similar for each of your customers, right? Because that's the one thing that can be a little finicky. So if you see here, I played around actually. So this was the first version. This one actually looks a little bit more realistic, even though I asked it to be like a 3D action figure, probably because this image was better. So that's the one thing to keep in mind with ChatGPT is that it can be a little bit finicky, and it's going to give you different renders, right? And so, and I mean, in this case, I had black hair. So try to have your customers as well, like provide you more than one photo to make sure that it's as accurate as they want, right? So I'll show you like what I created after, but in this case, it's worth noting that you're going to want to make sure that you reuse as well this ChatGPT window accordingly, right? And so then also make sure that you upload like a high quality image based on what your customer provide you. You're going to have them actually send that to you directly on Etsy Messenger. You can actually also customize it, right? And changing it around. Can you make the box floral collector's box with pastel colors? And then it's going to take the exact same box and it's going to create two different options for us, right? So needless to say, this is a prompt that you're going to have to edit accordingly based on your specific needs and make sure that you differentiate yourself from your competition, right? And so just as well as a reminder, you can only create 2 to 3 pictures per day if you have the free version, which is why I recommend that you have actually the paid version. This is so cute. Notice as well how one version is more cartoon-like and one looks a little bit more like me. So you will definitely have to play around, but needless to say, I love what we can do here, and you can really customize it based on your research and also based on whatever your customer likes. And another thing worth noting is that you might as well add these different versions as well within your listing, right? So while we have the cardboard version, you could tell your customers as well, like that you have a floral collection edition and you can have different themes for the box, right? So this is another good way to differentiate yourself from your competitors. All right, guys, but before we upload our listing on Etsy, let's not kid ourselves, right? We need to find a way to differentiate ourselves from the competition, which is why it's important to go after hobby niches and also make sure that there's enough demand for these hobby niches. So as somebody who spends a lot of time on Etsy, I know that there's demand for Viking niche. And actually this particular couple portrait, as you can see, it's in 16 cards. So I know that there is demand for perhaps creating Viking AI action figures, right? Just by looking at this particular product. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to ChatGPT to create our Viking action figure. Notice how I leveraged the exact same prompt, but all I did was adding Viking keywords and elements to make it look a little different, right? So I also asked it to create or add different miniature props, right? Flower, Viking knife, baby hut, and you might want to ask your customers as well as to what kind of miniature prop they want to be using. So the first time it actually created this funny, I asked it to write Viking Queen, but obviously you'll have to look for what kind of Viking names you want to use, because it could also be fun to use the name of your customers and change them into like a Viking name, and ChatGPT can help you with that. But in this case, notice how I still have like my camera, my laptop, because I actually used the exact same window. And what I did is that I asked it, can you use the same design, take out the YouTube plug, the laptop, the water bottle, and the camera, and it created this, which is super cute. So this is what I recommend you do. You could also have a couple in there and make sure that you ask your customer to send you a high resolution photo of the both of them and one individually so you can have the best results. But this is what I'm actually going to be uploading instead, right? So now we're going to go ahead and create our Etsy listing. So now we're going to go to Etsy to create our listing, right? So it is a digital product. For the title, I use personalized Viking AI action figure, collector box, digital download, 3D Viking cartoon art toy, yada yada. So something worth noting is that I kind of inspired myself from this particular title, right? And I also blended it with a title from another competitor, like this action figure we saw earlier, right? So this is what I did. I blended both titles together. Obviously, you want to make sure as well that you stuff your title with as many relevant keywords as possible. Then I also added this cute little thumbnail so customers understand what it is they're buying. I would also encourage that, especially if you're going to do couples, to include a photo of a couple and for them to see what it's going to look like. So you want to have as many different iterations as possible. Here's how I did the mockup, guys. By the way, I did the mockup on Canva, where I included my photo, I included the ChatGPT ChatGPT image that was created for this little AI cartoon. And then I also added the fact that this is ready within 24 hours, because obviously it's going to give me an edge over everybody else, right? So obviously you'll want to add as well multiple mockups so people understand what it's going to look like for them, right? And then we're going to add a description as well. So viral AI Viking figurine or action figure, stand out with our attention-grabbing content. Bonus tip, you can actually turn this into a physical product as well, whether framed wall art, poster, or sticker. This will actually enable you to charge more. And who knows, customer actually might love this option. Remember, they want convenience. Your print-on-demand supplier like Printify, for example, will handle all the fulfillment and shipping for you. So the only thing you need to do is set your price and list it on Etsy. Remember, this is why it's so important to stay in tune with trends. We took a viral AI trend and turned it into an Etsy product. So if you want more AI hacks, make sure to watch this video and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time.